what is up? Welcome back. My face is red, but whatever. I also sound nasally because I'm getting over a head cold. It is what it is. This is real life. I'm real life. Whatever. Hi, my name is Linnea, and if you're new here, we are on a mission to become semi-self-sufficient where we garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes. So, if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers. So, if you could help me get to 1,000, that would be awesome. If not, that is cool too. Thanks for being here. If you're not new here, welcome back. Missed you. Today, we are going to do a fun, easy recipe I have never made before. I found this recipe for Rotel cream cheese sausage balls. This is what they look like if anyone is interested in to see what they actually look like per this recipe. It's essentially like a dump and go recipe. It's really easy and it looks really tasty. So I decided to go for it today because I texted my mom and I said, hey, I think we should make these for Christmas Eve because my mom she usually does like appetizers and stuff on Christmas Eve. And I found this recipe and I texted her and I said, hey, I think these look really good for Christmas. And she said, sounds good. But I thought I would give them a try before I make them for my parents and stuff. And why not try them for a video? Why not find out together if it's good or not? So I'm gonna stop yapping. We're gonna get to making these cream cheese, Rotel, sausage ball things. And it should be really easy and really quick. All right, I'm gonna stop yapping. Well, let's go. All right, first things first. This cream cheese has been sitting out on the counter for a little while. It is softened, so I'm going to add an entire 8-ounce block of cream cheese to that. Then I'm going to add a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I did shred it from a block of cheese because I think that's just better. If you want to do pre-shredded, go for it. I just think it's better if it's like this. My opinion though. Okay, we add that. Then it calls for a can of drained Rotel. So I got the original. I think maybe you could do mild or hot, depending on what you like. But I went with the original. And then it calls for an entire pound of hot sausage. This is gonna really do my stomach in. I can already tell. Also, I do have the oven preheated to 400 degrees, so. All right, last ingredient is 1 3/4 cup of Bisquick. So. All right, now we're gonna mix it together, make it into balls, and then bake it. All right, I think this is mixed well enough. I am going to use my cookie scoop to make it into like 1-inch little balls and put it on a baking sheet. Like I said, I have the oven preheated to 400 degrees, and it says to bake them for 20 to 25 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this off now. Alright, so I did just take them out of the oven. Some of them are no longer ball shaped, but that really doesn't matter to me. Like this one right here, it's not really ball shaped, but it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna let them cool, and then we will give them a try at lunch. They look pretty good. They look pretty good. They smell really good. So the bottoms look nice. They don't look overdone, so that's good. We'll give them a try at lunch, and we'll see how good they are.
Get this one.
Yeah, you go for it. Oh, that was Calvin. He's like, huh?
Tastes kind of like a breakfast treat.
Yeah, it does, kind of. Probably because of the sausage in it. It was a hot sausage, but I like them. We'll probably make them at my mom's for Christmas Eve.
Yep.
They good. Like, I mean, yeah.
I don't know. Surprisingly, it reminds me of your mom's breakfast casserole.
Oh, you mean the a million casseroles that she makes she never makes the same casserole twice?
Probably, but
every single one basically tastes just like that. Yeah. I would make them again. I mean, they're not necessarily breakfast food, but I'm guessing just because the Bisquick and the...
Just add some eggs to it and you know, a breakfast one.
Yeah, you probably could. I don't know. But yeah, I like it.
Delicious.
All right. Well, you're showing our dirty towel. Showing our dirty towel? Alright, well, the next video might be cookies. Okay! Cookie man. Okay, bye. You gotta bear with us, because we're both getting over a cold. Even though Calvin's not. He's perfectly healthy. Alright. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!